How to find bio in YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your YouTube application is updated to its latest version so that you avoid any sort of glitches while using the app. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version and there are no updates available for this app on my device. So I'm going to tap on open. Then it will lead you to the home page of YouTube application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then what we can do, we can just tap on any short that you want. So here I'm just choosing this short over here. Now you can see no description or no bio option over here. So to view the bio, we're going to tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can see the option of description at the very first. Then tap on that. So here there is no description given over here. So let me try in another video. So just tap on the video. And here you can see hashtags as descriptions or bio. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.